Welcome back to another video, and today's video we're actually going to be doing completely the first modification for the WRX, the new 2019 WRX. It's not really modification, but it's just we're going to be changing the really ugly yellow halogen headlights, like the high beams and the low beams, into some goodies, nice and bright LED lights. If you guys buy a base model WRX, it comes with a projector, but all the other bulbs are actually really ugly halogen bulbs, and it's not LED. If you buy actual premium, it actually comes with like the same headlights that my STI has, which are LEDs inside, which they are not changeable. So that kind of sucks. But with the new WRXs, we can actually change it. I got some 9005s, which I believe is the high beams, and the H11s, which are the low beams, which are inside the projector. So I bought these LED lights. They're from LASFIT. One is 9005, the other one is H11. One is for the high beam, one is for the low beam. I actually buy all my cars have LED lights. I hate halogen lights. They're ugly, they're very low, they're not bright enough. But these lights, they do come with a 30-day free return, just in case if you don't like it or anything is bad. But these are just like any other LED lights. They're just, you know, regular LED lights. There's one that is fanless, and the other one I believe has a fan. This one is the fanless, which is the 9005. So this is the high beam one, which is fanless. I'm guessing this is the little things that make it to cool down. These have a fan inside. It has a little fan, so it keeps the LED going cool. These are plug and play, so it's all you gotta do is just take off your bulb and put the new one. So you guys can see it has a big huge LED bulb right there, and on each side, and that's the fan. Like I said, it's just plug and play. It's really easy to do. Just plug in, turn it on, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, bulbs from the headlights are all halogen. No LED comes with the base model. I believe limited is also the same. Also, base model comes with all this chrome inside. Right here you guys can see this is the STI headlight. It's kind of black inside, no chrome. The only thing chrome is like the high beams and this little thing right here. This light on the STI is just like one little LED. It's not as bright. This one is not an LED. It's a really ugly, another regular bulb here. So in the future, just keep watching. I'm going to actually do the C light, really nice. Gonna open it up, paint it all black, and get this nice C light done. So that's gonna be in the near future. It's already saved in my little save wish list, so I'm gonna be buying that pretty soon. So right now I'm gonna switch these two bulbs, which is just pretty simple, and I'm gonna show you the difference between this ones, or the LEDs, and the halogens on the other side. Alright, so for these, at least this side, I had to take part of the intake off because my hand doesn't fit to actually take off the low beam, which is right here underneath here. So the box sits right here. You gotta take the half of the box out. Then the high beam is pretty simple. It's right there. You got all the space here, but my hand is too big to actually fit through here. Try to twist it, you gotta twist it the other way and plug it. So it's a lot easier just to take off the box. It's just one bolt here and one bolt down there, and that's it. And then you know, wiggle it out. So there we go. That is low beam. You guys see right there, that is nice and white, and that is very yellowish. This looks very nice. See, this is what I'm talking about, this little C light. Look how ugly this C light is. Look, it doesn't even come down, you know, like it's just a little bit of light here. So that's gonna get fixed pretty soon. I'm gonna do some C lights that is gonna be switchback and everything. That's in the future, and then fix this headlight. But that looks very nice compared to the low beams. Let's try the high beams. And that is the high beam right there. I don't know if you guys can see a little bit, but the high beam is brighter. and this is very yellowish. The high beams will be day running lights because they do turn on when it's during the day, unless you turn your headlights on. But the high beams will be turning on. I know it's already dirty. Look at that. Gotta make sure I clean my car already. But yeah, there you go. It's I love it because it's not now. It's I hate that. I love that. Hate it. Love it. Let's change both of them. Wait till the hole actually gets nice and dark, and then show you how it looks in the dark. Alright, so now it's nice and dark, and we got the headlights on, nice and bright. Let me go show you a close-up again of this nasty sea light right there. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Yeah, it's not good at all. That's gonna be soon. Like I said earlier, it's gonna be nice and soon. That's headlights on my car. Let's take it for a spin real quick, show you how bright they are. So there we go, headlights are on, nice and bright. I don't have any fog lights on. Well, actually this car doesn't come with fog lights because it's the base model. So right now it's just headlights, and I'm about to turn on my high beams in a little bit, and boom, high beams, low beams, high beams. So now it's nice and bright compared with the ugly halogen lights. They're all yellowish, so now it's nice and blue, or white, I mean, not bluish. It has a little bluish tint. I'm guessing it's that projector kind of give us like a little bluish tint. But so far now it's nice and good. If you guys are interested in getting the same light bulbs, I will leave the link in the description below. I will leave the description for the low beams and the high beams. I bought it from Amazon. Around $30 something, $35 each one, I believe. Don't quote me at that, but I'll leave the link on the description below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next up, we'll make the interior lights. Gonna be also LEDs because I hate these, those lights too. I hate anything that is not LED. So next video for this car will be interior lights because I already got them. It's just I have to install them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.